Okay, so today is the big unveiling of your potatoes, huh?
Yes.
So you planted these in that container, right?
Yes.
So what you're going to have to do is you're going to dump that out, and then you're going to go through to see if you found any.
Yep. I'm gonna see if this is my first time doing this, so.
It could be a hit or it could be a miss. So here we go. Potatoes for the first time.
Okay. First of all, it's almost die off, which I think.
Here we go. By the way, she's going to reuse the soil here, so that's why we have the plastic down. So when she goes through it, she can then do it. Look at that. We have a red potato. How cool. There's another potato. It's like St. Patrick's Day all over again.
This is pretty cool.
Wow, you've already got 4 of them. There's 5 more potatoes coming out.
Oh my gosh, this is so exciting.
It's like a hidden surprise. Let's see, what'd you get there for your first one? Wow, that's a whole bag of potatoes. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, it's
That's
very
a whole
cool.
bag
I'm
of potatoes.
excited.
Yeah, and that's only the first one. You got
First
another.
time, and I have another.
You have a whole
So
nother
we'll
can.
leave them go a little longer.
Wow, look at
See?
that.
But very cool.
Potatoes for dinner tomorrow. Looks good. Good job.
Thank you.